Sarah. So you traveled from Sarah going here for the event?
Wala pa, bali sa boarding house ng pabata ko. Ang wife ko lang from Sarah.
Okay, thank you very much for gracing us your presence tonight. So sir, give us one situation in the ship wherein you call it something sentimental or hindi mo pinaka hindi mo malipatan as a chief engineer sa Synergy, sir. One experience lang, share lang. Or something fun, or maski ano lang ang pwede share, or maka-inspire sa aton nga seafarers. Now that you are, of course, you are a chief engineer at how young, sir?
36.
See? Diba? What is one experience nga?
First of all, good evening. No? This is my first contract lang sa Synergy and my previous company from cadet to chief engineer. So, nag-try ko mag-apply dali, kaya abi ko gitman ang bag ni Sir Lina, nga dali lang sila ilong process. No? So, nag-cut ko kay Ma'am Tina with wide arms open, bata man ako. Then, ang feeling family-oriented ng company, namihan ko sa Manila, kay libre ang kape sa bento.
Okay, ano pa kinang libre sa Manila?
So, underboard na lodging na siguro.
Sige, sa sunod siguro. Yun ko, ano, chief engineer. Okay, next time, sir. Free board and lodging. With airfare, sir, no?
Sorry, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, and welcome to the Synergy family. Thank you so